Hi, Miss.
Good
Hi,
morning.
Miss.
Good morning.
Good morning.
everyone.
Hi, Miss.
Hello, Malak.
Hi, Miss.
Happy New Year to all of you.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
How was the vacation?
And you?
Good.
Good.
Tell me,
Good.
what did you do? How did you spend your time?
Good.
Playing Fortnite.
Okay, playing at home. Where did you go?
Between PS4 and study.
Great job. What did you study, Ahsen?
I opened the science book and studying for the quiz. I don't know when.
Okay, great job. Ibrahim, hi, I miss you. I'm happy that you're with us.
Miss, in this week,
Which Ahsen is this? Ahsen, please write your full name. Hassan also, please write your full name.
Miss
Hassan and Hussein. Send me your full name in the chat. Or
Miss, I can't see my
your
mom
name. Hassan Mughniyi,
the
thank you.
application.
And is this Hassan Mughniyi? Okay, thank you so much. Okay, do you usually wake up? Okay, it's okay, Hassan. It's okay, dear.
Miss Fatin.
Is the voice clear? Yes, Majid.
I can't hear very well.
What did you say?
I can't hear, but I can't.
What did you say? You can't hear me?
I can't
We
hear
talked
you
about
well.
plants.
Miss, do we have a science worksheet?
Not this time. Next week. Next week we'll have science.
Miss, I can hear you clear.
Hi, Miss.
Great. So I think we must start now. Tell me, guys, did you have your breakfast?
Yes. No.
Okay, for those who had their breakfast, how does food help you? Why do you eat? Why did you get your breakfast? Why did you have your breakfast?
To get energy.
To get energy.
To get
So
ATP
food-
energy.
To get ATP energy, that's right. So food is the source of energy for organisms.
ATP
What-
energy.
Okay, organisms like what?
Like humans, animals.
That's
Green
right, like
plants.
people, animals, people, animals only? Plants, that's right. That's right. So food helps organisms get the energy they need to live. Tell me, how do people and animals get their food?
By consuming.
By consuming it. So people and animals are consumers. What about plants?
Plants are producers.
They are
Producers. No,
producers.
not all plants. Not all plants are producers. Just green plants.
Green plants,
Green
excellent job.
plants.
Green plants are producers. They produce their own food. So let me no, I'll have time to share the PowerPoint with you anyway. So people and animals are consumers since they consume the food they need, and plants produce their own food. What do we call the cooking process, the food making process that plants go through to produce their food?
Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis. Green plants go through photosynthesis to produce their
Synthesis.
own food. And in order to produce their food, plants need different things. I will share with you now a link. Use this link to answer the question. Okay, I will count till 10 and then time is over.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
use this link and answer the question. What do green plants need to go through photosynthesis?
Miss, it's not opening.
It's opening.
One,
Miss, I'm pressing on it. It's not opening.
two,
No.
try again.
Insects. Yes, I did it.
Three,
Miss, I'm done. I do.
I did it.
four,
I'm done.
5, 6, 7, 8,
I did it.
9.
Miss, it's not opening.
It's okay. And 10. Time is over. I will share with you now your answers. Okay. Here are your answers. What does a plant need to go through photosynthesis? Okay. I will highlight
People.
in green the correct answers. Plants need carbon dioxide to go through photosynthesis. They need sunlight energy to go through photosynthesis. This is correct. They
Yes.
need sunlight energy. They also
Yes.
need
Water.
And water.
They need carbon dioxide.
Yes.
That's why.
I do it all correct.
Okay. Do plants need plants to go through
Miss,
photosynthesis?
and chlorophyll. No.
Do plants
No.
need animals
No,
to go
they
through
don't need
photosynthesis?
animals.
What is this?
No. No.
Do plants need
Miss,
people
I
to
think-
go through photosynthesis?
No.
Okay, they don't use chlorophyll as an ingredient in a photosynthesis. Let's
Oh.
together write the equation of photosynthesis. So plants mix water with what?
What? Water.
Carbon
Carbon
dioxide.
dioxide
Sunlight.
in the presence
Oxygen.
of sunlight energy.
Oxygen. Sunlight.
Okay, so what do they form? What do they make?
Oxygen.
Oxygen
And sugar.
and
sugar, which is the glucose, and they throw the oxygen gas into the atmosphere. Okay, this is the photosynthesis equation. Tell me, what do plants use to absorb water from the soil?
Roots.
Their roots. How do they take in carbon dioxide?
Tomato.
With the stomata of their leaves. How do they catch sunlight energy? Using what?
Chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll. Excellent. The chlorophyll is the green substance found in green plants. And this chlorophyll has two jobs. The chlorophyll
Make the plant green.
make the
And
plant
make the sun.
make the plant green and grab sunlight and
Energy.
For this reason, we say that green plants only can go through photosynthesis. Okay? So now plants Plants made the sugar they need by photosynthesis, by the food making process. Plants now have sugar. How do they use this sugar to make energy? What do we call the process of turning or
Miss,
using?
they
food
use
to
it
make-
at night, respiration.
So it's the respiration process. Excellent. So plants go through photosynthesis to make their food, but they go through respiration. They go through respiration to
That ATP energy.
make ATP energy. What is another word for respiration? What is another word for respiration?
Respire.
What do we mean by respiration? When Miss Fatin respire, يعني Miss Fatin breathing. Respiration is breathing. So again, we'll do the quiz, but now I will change the question. Okay? If it's noisy your side, please mute yourself. If it's noisy your side, please mute yourself. Mute yourself if it's noisy your side.
Not me. Not me.
Please mute yourself if it's noisy your side.
Not me.
So it's Hala's side. Okay. Use the link to answer the question. I will count till 10. Yalla Ali Mroui, good morning. Selena, hi. Zahra, is this Zahra Shaheen? Please write your full name.
Miss, it's not opening.
Yes.
Indicate what a plant needs.
What do plants need to go through respiration? It's okay, ya Mahdi.
Miss, they're not letting me enter.
Miss, I'm done.
Miss
One.
Fatin.
It's okay, it's okay. There is no need to do it. It's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Miss, I
did it.
pasted it. It's in Safari and it worked.
Okay, great. 9. Did you submit your answers, ya Mahdi?
Yes.
9.5 and
Yes, Miss.
10. Time is over. Let me share with you your answers. Yeah. To go through respiration, to make respiration. Okay, I will start.
Self-pollination and cross-pollination.
What? To go through respiration, plants need oxygen, أكيد, because respiration is breathing. So plants take O2, oxygen, 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 O2. That's right.
Miss, I
Okay.
wrote O2.
And also they need sugar.
And
Sugar,
sugar.
which is the glucose. Okay. This is wrong. Plants don't need energy to go through respiration. They do not need water. They don't need CO2.
They make
They
energy.
don't need minerals. Plants need
They make
things
energy.
to go through respiration. Yalla, help me write the equation of respiration. What is the respiration equation? Sugar.
Oxygen. CO2, water, and ATP energy.
Sugar plus oxygen. What does this give? So plants mix sugar with oxygen to give what?
CO2 and water,
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide,
and water,
water,
and ATP energy.
energy. The beautiful ATP energy. ATP energy. The ATP energy is very important. It helps the plant grow in a healthy, in a good way. Okay, so plants go through respiration to make the ATP energy.
The ATP energy.
The ATP energy, that's right. Okay, do you still have any questions about respiration in plants and photosynthesis in plants?
No,
No.
So green plants
no,
go through two processes.
No.
Photosynthesis during the day, and this photosynthesis requires water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight energy, and plants use photosynthesis to make the food they need, to get aslan the energy they need. Okay, then this food will be used in the respiration process. Plants put oxygen and sugar together to make the ATP energy, and they throw water and carbon dioxide. Okay, clear till now? Clear?
yes,
Yes.
Okay, let me talk about
Yes.
different kinds of organisms. We talked about producers or autotrophs. Producers produce their own food by photosynthesis. Okay, plants use their roots to absorb water from the soil. They take in carbon dioxide by their stomata, the stomata in the leaves. They also use the chlorophyll to trap sunlight energy. By photosynthesis, plants produce a kind of sugar called glucose, and they release oxygen. What about decomposers, nature cleaners? What do they do? What do these organisms
they decompose dead bodies. They
They
decompose dead bodies.
decompose dead bodies. Yalla, let's do the game again. Let's do the game again. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
And I will count till 10. Use the link again to answer the question. Go. 1
Send
from the chat. I'll send it one more time. Yeah.
The same link.
Same link. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Not I did it.
8,
مس ما عم بفوتوني فيه.
9,
I did it.
مس ما عم بفوتوني.
and 10. Time is over.
مس
Let me share the answers with you. Someone is talking in Arabic and it's noisy somewhere. If there is noise,
they wouldn't let me in.
it's okay, ya Hala. Next time you'll do it.
مس
Yeah. Let's see. Insects.
Miss, I didn't know how
Yes.
to write
Worms. Yes.
Worm,
crocodile.
Earthworms. Earthworms. Snails.
nails,
Fungi. Bacteria. That's right.
bacteria.
I don't know what you why
Alright,
did
fungi
you wrote
and
that. Snakes are not decomposers. Decomposers decompose dead bodies. They decompose
Snails
dead
are
bodies. So this is not an
consumers.
example. This is not an example. Decomposers decompose dead bodies. So I don't know who wrote snakes, But when snakes die, so I will use this example. When snakes die, decomposers will decompose them into what? They will turn dead bodies into what? Into what?
The pieces of
Minerals.
Minerals. Thank you. And then who will use these minerals from the soil? Who will use these minerals?
And
Plants.
The plant.
The
Excellent
roots.
job.
The roots. The roots.
Excellent job. The roots of the plant will absorb minerals from the soil, and these minerals will be used for the plant's healthy growth. Okay, so decomposers, it's noisy somewhere. Please, if there is noise at your house, mute yourself. You can unmute yourself when you want to give me an answer. Yeah. The third type of consumers of organisms are consumers. They consume or eat their food. How many types of consumers is there?
3.
Three.
3.
Yeah.
5.
No, how many
yes.
types of consumers? 3 types of consumers. Let's say
Three.
them together.
Herbivores.
Herbivores,
carnivores,
carnivores,
omnivores.
omnivores. Excellent job. There are 3 types of consumers: herbivore, carnivore, and omnivore. Yeah. Let's start doing the short right here. So 3 types of consumers. Herbivores. Okay. Herbivores.
And carnivores.
Carnivores.
And omnivores.
And
And omnivores.
omnivores. What do herbivores feed on? What do herbivores feed on?
Plants only.
Plants only. What do carnivores feed on?
Grass, leaves.
Plants only.
Meat only. Omnivores.
Meat only.
Omnivores.
Meat and plants. They feed on plants and meat.
That's right. Both plants and meat. How many classes of herbivores is there?
5.
5. Let's start saying them. Herbivore. Herbivore. Okay. Second.
Nectarivore.
Nectarivore. What else? Insectivore.
Suckers. Sap suckers.
Sapsuckers. That's right.
Frugivores.
Frugivores.
Insectivores.
Granivores. Thank you. Granivores. Herbivores are animals that feed on leaves, like grass, like leaves of plants. Let's give an example of herbivores. The zebra. Thank you. Yalla,
Giraffe.
a nectarivorous animal.
A bee.
Bee. Thank you. A sapsucker animal. Sapsucker animal.
Bird.
Woodpecker. Thank you.
Woodpecker.
A frugivorous animal.
A monkey.
The monkey.
monkey.
Thank you. A granivorous animal.
Bird.
Bird.
The eagle مثلا is not a granivore. It's a bird, but it's a carnivore. You cannot see like a bird in general. Give me a kind of animals.
Some birds.
What?
Huh?
Granivorous animals. But they want granivorous animals.
I know one, but I don't know the name.
هيا يا
Miss
أبطال.
Chicken.
Chicken. Thank you. Thank you so much. هلا. Who is this? Mahdi?
Yes.
برافو يا كوكو. يلا. How many classes of carnivorous animals?
5.
كمان 5. يلا. Carnivores.
Carnivore.
Thank you.
Carnivore.
Bloodsuckers.
Insectivore.
Insectivores.
Bloodsuckers.
Bloodsuckers.
Piscivore.
Scavengers.
Piscivores.
Excellent. Yalla, let's give examples. Carnivore, like what?
Lion.
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 Insectivore.
Frog.
Frog. Bloodsucker.
Snake.
لا مش هي. Bloodsucker. Mosquito. Thank you. Scavenger. Hyena. Piscivorous. A piscivorous animal.
Bear.
The bear. Thank you. The bear. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. So, producers produce glucose to get the energy they need. Decomposers decompose dead bodies to get the energy they need. Consumers consume plants and animals to get the energy they need. So the glucose or the sugar is the source of energy for plants. Dead bodies are the source of energy for decomposers. وكمان plants and animals are the source of energy for consumers. Okay, so food, as we said in the beginning, is the source of energy for living things. Okay, I want you to look carefully right now. We have a green plant, a slug, a frog, and a bird. Okay? Here is the green plant. Green plants need energy. They need food. Don't write on the screen. Green plants need energy. They need food. How do green plants get food? What do?
By producing.
They do photosynthesis. They produce their food. Green plants produce their food and they get the energy they need. Okay? The slug. What does a slug eat? What does a slug eat?
Gas.
It eats the green plant. The slug eats the green plant. Okay? The slug is a consumer. It consumes the green plant. So who gives the slug its energy?
The plant.
The green plant.
The green
The
plant.
green
The
plant.
green
Bravo. The green plant. Yeah. هلا the frog. What does a frog eat?
The frog eats
It eats the slug. So who gives the frog the energy it needs?
the slug.
The slug. Good job. طيب هلا the heron, this bird, what does it eat?
Frog.
The frog. So who gives the heron the energy it needs?
It's a consumer.
It's a
Frog.
consumer.
It's
It's the frog.
Frog.
Yeah. The green
It's
plant.
like a food chain.
It's a food chain. Who said this?
Hala.
Hala. Can we give Hala a big clap? I can't hear you. Give Hala a big clap. Amazing, ya Hala. It's a food chain. Bravo. So, the green plant is eaten by the slug. The slug is eaten by the frog. The frog is eaten by the heron. Yalla, we're gonna say it again all together. We will say this again all together. 1, 2, 3. The green plant is eaten by
the slug.
the slug is eaten by
The slug is eaten
by the frog.
The frog
And
frog
the
is
frog
eaten
is
by
eaten by the heron.
heron.
Okay, let's go again one more time. All of us together, all of us guys. Yalla. The green plant
The green
The green plant
is eaten by
Slug is eaten by slug.
by the
slug.
snail.
The slug
And the
is
snail
eaten
is
by
And the slug is eaten by the frog.
the frog is eaten
The
by
frog is eaten by the heron.
The frog is eaten by the heron.
So what do we call this? This is what?
Food chain.
This is a food
Food
chain.
chain.
In a food chain, every animal, every organism has a special place. Okay? It's according to the movement and how energy moves. Here the energy moves, wait, here the energy moves from the green plant to the slug, to the frog, to the bird. Okay?
To the frog and to the
So a food chain shows how organisms get their food. The green plant makes its food. The slug gets its food from the green plant. The frog gets its food from the slug. The heron gets its food from the frog. Food chains start always with a producer and end with an animal. Again, food chains, all food chains start with a producer, with a green plant, and they end with an animal. Okay?
yes.
Yalla, I will choose Ali Thini, please. Can you read this food chain? Read this food chain.
Green plant gets eaten by slug.
The green plant is eaten by the slug. Bravo.
The slug gets eaten by the frog.
Okay.
And the frog gets eaten by the heron.
Bravo حبيبي. Excellent. يلا يا إبراهيم.
The green plant eaten by the slug.
يلا
And the slug has been eaten by the frog. And the frog has been eaten by the heron.
Okay, excellent. يلا محمد بستاني.
The green plant got eaten from the slug, and the slug got eaten from the frog, and the frog got eaten.
يلا سيلينا. يلا يا سيلينا. Read this food chain. Did Selena leave? Rena. Rena.
Where's the electricity went?
Yes, miss.
يلا يا رنا. Read the food chain. It's okay there.
Green plant is eaten by the slug. The slug is eaten by the frog. The frog is eaten by the heron.
I love you. Excellent job. يلا يا رشا.
The green plant is eaten by the slug is eaten by the frog, and the frog is eaten by the heron.
Excellent. Malak.
The green plant eaten by the slug. The slug is eaten by the frog. The frog is eaten by the heron.
Yeah. Kareem. Kareem, give the name of the producer.
Green plant.
The green plant is the producer. Excellent job. يلا يا ماجد. Why a food chain, ya Majid, starts with a producer? Can you explain this? Why all food chains start with a producer? Majid and Hala, this question is for you.
Okay. Why a food chain starts with a producer? It starts producer.
Hala will help you, ya Majid. Yalla ya Hala.
Because every food chain starts with small animals and I don't know.
No, every food chain starts with a plant, with a green plant, with a producer. Mahdi, do you know why?
Miss, please,
Because it
yes.
produces food. Miss, because it
No,
produces food.
Miss,
Yes, yeah, Mahdi. I'm listening.
because the green plant produces the energy.
Because
Yes.
okay, tell me, green plants. Can I put something before green plants? Do plants eat something?
No.
No.
Does
No.
any other
Because they produce
organism?
their own food, so they can't eat. They eat their
Bravo,
own
ya
food.
Rasha. They cannot eat. Who is the organism? مين
produce.
the other living thing اللي بيعطي green plants their food. Green plants مين بيعطيهم
No, they
their food?
produce.
They make their own
They
food.
produce.
مين بيعملوا their own food? No one gives them their food.
They produce their own food.
They make their own food. They make their own energy. So there is no other organism that gives them their energy. Okay? But the slug takes its energy from the green plant. The frog takes its energy from the slug. The heron takes its energy from the frog. But the green plant, they cannot take their energy from, they take their energy from no one. They make their food. Okay? So, producers use the sunlight energy to produce their food. So they make their own food. They do not get their food from anyone. Yalla, yeah. Who still didn't?
Miss, did I answer?
Yes, you all gave excellent answers. Thank you, ya Mahdi. Excellent answers. Ali Mruwa, are you with me?
Yes.
Yalla, ya Ali. Name or give me the names of the 3 consumers in this food chain.
The slug,
Yes.
the frog, and the heron.
Thank you so much. Amazing. Yeah. Classify the consumers as herbivores and carnivores. So Ali said, we have 3 consumers, slug, frog, and heron, all together. The slug, is it a herbivore or a carnivore? The slug.
Carnivore.
Herbivore.
The slug eats green plants. So it's
It's
It's a
herbivore.
herbivore.
What does a frog eat?
insects. So
What does a
Slug.
frog eat?
Slug.
Slug. And what does a heron eat?
carnivore.
What does a heron eat?
Frog.
The
Carnivore.
frog.
A
So
frog.
both frog
frog.
and heron are carnivorous animals. They are carnivorous animals. Okay? So look, the green plant makes its own energy. Okay? Then this energy moves to the slug because the slug eats the green plant.
Slug.
Okay? Then this energy moves لوين? Where does this energy move?
To the frog.
To the
To the
frog.
frog. Good job.
The frog.
To the frog. Because the frog eats the slug. Then this energy, where does it go?
To the
heron.
That's right, because the heron eats the frog. Okay? That's it for today. We still have best 1 minute. And this minute will be for your questions and your words. Did you enjoy the session?
I don't have any questions.
Miss?
Yes.
Yes.
Very much.
Yes.
Miss, I don't have any questions.
Okay, great. Here is the
Me too.
white.
Can I add
Me too, I don't have
something?
Yes, you can.
Miss, on the application, it's not showing my mark
Okay, I will
on
check
quiz.
it now when I finish. Here is the whiteboard.
Miss, can you tell me
You can
it?
write whatever you want. You get more than 20, Emma.
Miss, if you don't have any questions, will you?
Yes, you can leave.
Bye.
Bye, miss. I will miss you.
Bye, Miss.
Bye. I love you too, ya Majid.